Hi, my name is Michael Ginsberg, and the topic I decided to research is cyberbullying. The definition of cyberbullying, according to Webster's dictionary, is the act of harassing someone online by sending or posting mean messages, usually anonymously. Some facts about cyberbullying are girls are twice as more likely to get cyberbullied. Around 43% of teenagers have been cyberbullied. People that have been bullied are more likely to become bullies. Only 1 in 10 teens tell a trusted adult that they are being bullied. Approximately 34% of the students report experiencing cyberbullying during their lifetime. 15% of students admitted to cyberbullying others during their lifetime. Adolescent girls are more likely to have experienced cyberbullying in their lifetime. The type of cyberbullying tends to be different among gender. Girls are more likely to post mean comments online, while boys are most likely to post hurtful pictures or videos online. As of 2015, 92% of teens ages 13 to 17 reported going online daily, and 24% reported going on constantly. Social media is associated with the mental health problems, which includes depression, sleep disturbances, and eating concerns among young adults. Over half of adolescents and teens have been bullied online, and about the same number have engaged in cyberbullying. More than one in three young people have experienced cyber threats online. Over 25% of adolescents and teens have been bullied repeatedly through their cell phones or the internet. Well over half of the young people do not tell their parents when cyberbullying occurs. Some people might ask why this is a big problem. It's a big problem because it increases mental and health related issues and even worse, suicide. Social media is also a big problem because it makes them find targets easier without having to interact with them face to face. It is easier and they don't feel that they can get away with bullying since the victim does not know who they are usually. It can destroy someone's self esteem, emotion, and confidence that forces them to second think every decision they make. How to handle a bully. Treat everyone with respect. If everyone is nice to each other, there will be no bullies. Act with confidence, knowing who you are and that you believe in yourself. Talk to a trusted adult. They will be better suited to handle the situation. Report online bullies. Get them notified to a higher person before the bullying spreads. Simply avoid the bully. If you avoid them, they might not bully you. Stick together. It is important to get support from others in all situations. Stand up for yourself and others. Be a role model to the people who need or to the bully. Some solutions to help cyberbullying are tell a loved one of the problem as soon as it starts so it can be stopped. Avoid all social media until it's solved. Simply block the bully. Spread the word to stop bullying once and for all. Talk to a trusted adult. Understand the bully. Make donations to prevent bullying in schools or online. The No Bully campaign is a campaign that gathers young adults together to stop bullying in any form. They say No Bully has taken on an ambitious mission to eradicate bullying and cyberbullying among youth worldwide. And here is my works cited.